Alright guys, I just finished up that piece of wood I was telling y'all about, and I curved it out best I could. Now I don't have no jigsaw. I went with the box cutter and just shaved the ends out, or the corners. Shaved all this just so it wouldn't be cutting through nothing, both sides. And then I put this open in here. Bear with me, try and hold the camera too. Put that in there. Now mind you, I don't have money to be buying these cushions just to leave back on there and get all rotten again. So there it is. Fold this up, tuck this up, and just overlay it back like it was. Pull that tight and then staple it, and it'll be as good as new, and it'll be back to work. But yeah, I mean, it's just that simple. It's nothing hard. Anybody could do this, save a little money. These parts ain't cheap. Pull that like that. That one over here. That's it. But I'm gonna get my little staple gun, staple this in here first, staple that, pull that over here, pull this one over here, overlap it, and staple it again. And then just get some wood screws, probably screw it there, probably make a hole with my drill, put it there. After I mount it, make sure where the holes are. I don't want to put it on too crooked. And then be good as new, just like that. All right, brother, we'll talk to y'all later.